Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AHA Roadmap Workspace, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall AHA Roadmap Workspace, begin by logging into your AHA account. Navigate to the workspace you wish to uninstall. Once you are in the desired workspace, locate the settings icon in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the workspace settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Delete Workspace. Select the Delete Workspace option. A confirmation window will appear prompting you to confirm the deletion. Review the details in the confirmation window carefully before proceeding. If you are sure you want to continue, click on the Delete button to proceed. The workspace will now begin the uninstallation process. Once the process is complete, you will be redirected to your AHA dashboard. Make sure to check your dashboard to confirm that the workspace has been successfully removed. If you encounter any issues during the uninstallation, consult AHA support for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth uninstallation of your AHA Roadmap Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.